In this video, I'm going to show you how to input your instructor biographical and contact information into the SBU system. What you want to do is start at your dashboard, and that's where I am. I've logged into SBU, and now I'm at my dashboard. You can click My Dashboard here. You can also click View My Dashboard here. That'll get you on the same spot that I'm at. You'll notice up here in the upper right hand, we've got your login information right here. So right now I'm logged in as Jason Hewitt. And there's some information about me. So part of my bio has been completed already. So we're going to go in and I'll show you how to add a picture in particular to the bio feature. So let's go ahead and go in there. How do you get there? Well, you can go to the About Us section and click here on this link right here. Or you can go down to Meet the Instructors. I'll go ahead and take this sort of more visual route. So click on that. And then here you're able to see the bios of current instructors. For example, we'll look at Tony's bio here. We can click See Full Bio, and we see all the different types of information that can be inputted. A photograph, email address, phone, title, a written biography, and a list of the courses that this person offers. You can also download a V-card for this person that allows people to download contact information that they can use in a tool like Microsoft Outlook, for example. That's automatically created once you've entered your bio information. You don't actually have to input that at all. Okay, so let's go down to my bio, the one that I'm able to edit. Because look, I can't edit Tony's, for example. There's no editing pencil. But if I go down to the one that I'm logged in as Jason Hewitt. There's no photo there yet, but I can click See Full Bio. And there you can see there's a pencil because that means I can edit. So go ahead and go in there, and I'm going to just show you a few of the things that I'm able to edit at this point. Basically, any of these yellow fields I can add information to. There's a red asterisk here next to this first name field and this last name field because those are required fields. Everything else is probably pretty optional, but you want to put in as much information as you think is appropriate and helpful to the learner. And you can go and change your password, it seems, right here. I'm not going to talk about that or show you that. And then right here is where we can click to upload a picture. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. I want to say one thing though. One of the, an important feature of this bio section will be that you can actually write a written, a biography of yourself in textual format and upload that. Right now, it's not available at the time of making this movie. That feature will be turned on, and you'll be able to access it through this area as well to input your bio. It'll probably be a WYSIWYG editor, but it's not there right now, so I can't show it to you. Just be looking for that feature to be turned back on soon. All right, so how do we upload a picture? Well, you click here to upload a picture. The picture needs to be in the dimensions of 85 by 110 pixels. If you don't know how to get your picture into that format, there will be some instructions on how to do that later in this course. There's going to be a section on technical concepts, and images will be covered, and the specifics of how to make your photo 85 by 110 pixels will be addressed at that point. So, if you are unable to do it at this point because you don't know how, you need to make a mental note to yourself, or actually probably you want to write it down on a piece of paper, then come back to your bio and add your picture once you've learned how to do it. Okay? But go ahead and just watch how I do this so that you get an initial idea of how this is done. You want to browse to the location on your computer where your image of 85 by 110 pixels is located. So I know that this one right here is such a picture. And so I've browsed to it. I double clicked it. Let me do that again. You can browse, and I'm on a PC, so I know Macs things work slightly differently, but I'll select this. Instead of double clicking this time, I'll click Open. And that puts the path to that picture here. And then I can click Save and Close. And it's uploaded the picture now. And now what I want to do is go back to my profile by clicking my profile right here. Earlier when I tried this and I clicked home, I got an error message. So I'm just advising you to just go back one step, click My Profile, and at this point, if you have nothing else to input, go ahead and click Save, and then go back to My Dashboard. And you'll notice now that Jason has an image inputted into his bio. And again, later you'll want to check back and see, you want to check back in the bio feature. You can go back to Meet the Instructors, go into your bio, click the pencil, and there should be a field for adding your textual bio a little later. Again, it's not available right now. And come back to this tutorial if you first need to figure out how to make your image the right size. Go learn how to do that later in this course. Then you can come back and edit. And if this is something you're going to want to practice multiple times, don't be frustrated that maybe you don't know how to do your picture's not ready. By practicing and repeating and maybe revisiting this tutorial, eventually you'll learn how to do it. Bios are something that you'll probably want to tweak yearly anyway. You don't want to just do it once and then never do it again. So it's good to practice it repeatedly.